Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to know how to create multiple folders at once, I'm going to show you how to do that on your device. So let's get in. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is get to the area that you would like to create this folder. So as you can see here, we are in a new space and we are going to click on new at the top left hand side, and we're going to look for the text document. Now once we create this text document, we can create a name. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to leave it as is. We're going to just tap on the enter key right over here. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is open it up. Now once you've opened it up, the next step is to add in the first command. So we're going to go at echo space off, and you are going to double space it so that we're on a line following this command md. Okay, and that's how we begin our command. Now there are a few ways that you can create these folders quickly and easily. All you need to do now is space, and you can enter whatever folder name you'd like. So for example, we're going to say folder 1. Now this hasn't got any spaces in between, and your folder name will not have any spaces in between. If you want to add an additional folder, you are going to tap on the space key, and then you are going to put it in quotation marks. You are going to now name your second folder, and you can now put a space in there. So if you're going to do a space, you're going to put it in quotation marks. We're going to tap in a space there, and then we are going to put in folder 3, and if we want to put a subfolder in there, we're going to use the backslash, and now you can name your subfolder. Let's say that we want to just name it subfolder. There you go. And once that is done, you are literally going to tap on enter, and on the left hand side you will see file. We're going to tap on file. Now from here you need to go down and tap on save as, and these are the few steps that you need to take. So first of all, you need to name the file, and whatever you name the file, you have to give it the .bat for a batch file type as an extension. And then as the file type saving, we're going to go ahead and say all files, right? We now have our files set up. We're going to tap on save. We can now close this document, and here you can see it says new text document. This is what we have just created, and you're going to double click it, and you will see that it'll open our batch folders. We've got folder 1, no space, folder 2, space, and folder 3 with a subfolder inside of it. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.